You can now use Google Assistant on your Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. Now you will ask, when there is already Bixby, then why we need Google Assistant? Well, for your answer, Google Assistant is the most advanced voice assistant service on any Galaxy devices. It is available on all the Wear OS watches, and now it comes to Galaxy watches. Firstly, it was launched on Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic, and now it is available for Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. There are many advantages of having Google Assistant rather than Bixby on your Galaxy device. It is really easy to use, recognize poor English or poor accent, accurate in answers, rich in the data, and has many options. And that's the reason you should install Google Assistant on your Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. So in this video, I will tell you how you can use Google Assistant on your Galaxy Watch. Also, I will tell you how you can use it in the unsupported countries. Yes, you heard right. Google Assistant function is not available in many countries, including some major ones. Here, I will tell you how you can use this function in unsupported countries. You have to just follow these simple steps. First, download Google Assistant on your smartphone. The Google Assistant app is available in the Play Store. Just open Play Store on your smartphone and search for it. And after that, install it on your smartphone. And now let's move to the second step, and that is you have to again install Google Assistant on your smartwatch. On your Galaxy Watch 5, open Play Store. In the Play Store, search for Google Assistant. If you are living in the supported countries, then you will see Google Assistant. But if you are living in unsupported countries, then you will not see any answer like this one. So those users who can see Google Assistant, they can directly install it. But if you don't see any result, then you have to move to next step. In the Play Store, just scroll down and below you will see Manage Apps. Now open Manage Apps, and here you can see Google Assistant, and it will ask you to download or update. Now click on the button and install it. And after successful installation, just open it. When you open the Google Assistant, then it will ask you to get started. After hitting on Get Started, it will ask you to complete some more steps on your smartphone. Now press the button and it will redirect you to your smartphone. And here on your smartphone, it will ask you to complete some more steps. You can agree to their terms and conditions. When you complete all these steps and setup, then it is ready to use. Now you can open Google Assistant app on your smartwatch. In the Google Assistant app, you can give any voice command and it will respond to you. Like you can see, I have opened Alarm. After that, I have also set up Reminder. I have also opened music apps using Google Assistant. And after that, I have opened Microsoft Outlook app. And after that, I have successfully called using Google Assistant. For that, just say the name like Call Sweet Home and it will respond. If you have many numbers, more than one, then again it will ask you to which number you have to call. Again, respond to it and it will call to that number. Further, you can ask many queries to Google Assistant. Sometimes it fails to get the result, but most of the times it will resolve your query. Like I asked it to change the watch face and it is showing me the result from Google search. You can also use the home key to open Google Assistant. For that, open settings on your smartwatch and after that, go to advanced features. In the advanced features, click on customize keys. In the customize keys, now press on home keys. In the home keys, you can see Bixby is the default option. Now you can change it to the Google Assistant. And after that, you can press and hold your home key to open Google Assistant. I hope you understand all about Google Assistant on your Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro.